CNC machining is now more doable for everyone, letting you make detailed projects at home. In this video, we'll explore different DIY CNC projects for beginners and those with a bit more experience. These projects include useful items and artistic creations, showing off what CNC technology can do. Whether you're really good at CNC or just starting, these projects will encourage you to get better. Here at MechMinds Hub, where knowledge and mechanics combine. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. CNC Engraved Wooden Sign. To start your CNC journey and make a personalized wooden sign at home, follow these easy steps. First, pick a piece of wood like plywood or pine and attach it securely to your CNC machine. Next, use design software to create a quote, family name, or message you like. In the CNC software, set up paths for the cutting tool to follow your design. Adjust the paths to control how deep the carving goes, aiming for smooth cuts. Before you begin the CNC machine, make sure the wood is in the right position. Play around with spindle speed and feed rates to find the best settings for your wood. Once the CNC machine is running, keep an eye on the carving. When it's done, smooth the surface by sanding away any rough spots. Try different finishes like staining or sealing to make your wooden sign look even better. Following these steps makes CNC easy, and you'll end up with a special and unique wooden sign for your home. Number 2. CNC Milled Phone Stand. Create a functional and stylish phone stand using CNC milling right at home. Start by designing a stand that suits your home decor and keeps your smartphone easily visible. Dive into multi-axis machining to explore crafting intricate shapes and learn about stability and aesthetics in design. Incorporate joinery techniques for a polished finish and experiment with materials like wood, acrylic, or metal to understand their unique characteristics. To make your phone stand even more versatile, consider adding features like cable management or adjustable angles. Once your design is ready, secure the material on your CNC machine bed. Set up the tool paths and let the CNC machine bring your creation to life. Number 3. PCB Milling for Electronics Projects. First, choose the right end mills and master isolation milling for precise circuit traces. Build a solid foundation in electronics and CNC integration while crafting functional prototypes. Dive into PCB design software like Eagle or KiCad, translating your circuit schematics into CNC-compatible files. Prioritize precision and accuracy when working with electronic components, ensuring your CNC machine carves out intricate patterns effectively. Experiment with various materials to discover the ideal substrate for your PCBs, considering options like FR4. To try this at home, secure the chosen substrate on your CNC machine bed. Upload your CNC-compatible file and let the machine bring your custom circuit board to life. This project not only introduces you to the complexities of CNC milling for electronics, but also empowers you to fabricate custom circuit boards for your unique projects. Number 4. CNC Carved Wooden Chess Set. Create a CNC carved wooden chess set at home with these simple steps. Secure a suitable wood on your CNC machine bed. Then dive into 3D machining as you design and carve intricate chess pieces. Visualize each piece in a digital space and translate it into precise tool paths. Upload your designs, adjusting tool paths for details. Experiment with different wood species for varied textures and colors. Consider adding personalized touches like filigree patterns or custom engraving. This project not only hones your CNC skills, but also blends craftsmanship and technology to bring a classic game to life. Number 5. CNC Carved Wooden Clock. Start by choosing a piece of wood and securing it on your CNC machine bed. Design the clock face and hands, and use 3D machining for intricate details, considering space for clock mechanisms. This transforms your decorative piece into a functional clock. Run the CNC machine for precision, then carefully remove the wooden clock. Plan and allocate space for seamless integration of clock mechanisms, refining your CNC skills. Sand the surface for a smooth finish and install the clock mechanisms. In this simple process, you'll create a unique and personalized wooden clock, merging craftsmanship and technological precision from the comfort of your home. Number 6. CNC Machine Desk Organizer. Begin by securing wood and acrylic on your CNC machine bed. Design thoughtful compartments for pens and notepads, keeping both form and function in mind. Experiment with multi-material projects by seamlessly combining wood and acrylic to explore their unique characteristics. Take your design a step further by incorporating modular components, creating a versatile and adaptable desk organizer. Craft each compartment with precision, contributing to a functional and visually appealing addition to your workspace. This project shows the seamless fusion of CNC precision and practical utility. Number 7. CNC Engraved Leather Wallet. Craft your CNC engraved leather wallet at home and follow these straightforward steps. Begin by selecting a piece of supple leather and securely fasten it on your CNC machine bed. Use design software to create intricate patterns or personalize the wallet with initials, ensuring precise details. Adjust cutting depths and speeds according to the characteristics of the leather for optimal engraving results. Execute the CNC machine to engrave the design onto the leather surface. Once complete, carefully remove the leather from the CNC machine and refine any edges as needed. This project not only enhances your CNC engraving skills, but also results in a unique and stylish accessory, creating a bespoke leather wallet that seamlessly merges traditional craftsmanship with modern CNC technology right in the comfort of your home. Number 8. Aluminum Bottle Opener. To take your CNC skills level up, try working with a more challenging material like aluminum and craft a sleek bottle opener at home. Begin by selecting a small piece of aluminum and securing it in your CNC machine bed. Use design software to create a simple and functional bottle opener shape. In the CNC software, set up tool paths that guide the cutting tool through the aluminum, considering the depth of each cut. Before starting the CNC machine, ensure proper material setup and position the design accurately. Experiment with spindle speed and feed rates to find the right settings for aluminum. As the CNC machine carves, keep an eye on the process. Once done, refine the edges with sandpaper for a smooth finish. This project introduces you to 2.5D machining, allowing you to create a practical tool while learning about tool geometry and cutting strategies for working with metals. By following these steps, you'll not only advance your CNC skills, but also have a functional aluminum bottle opener crafted right in your own home. Remember to prioritize safety by following recommended guidelines and using protective gear when working with different materials. These extended CNC machining project ideas offer not only a diverse range of opportunities for exploration, but also a comprehensive learning experience in materials, design complexities, and functional aspects. Each project serves as a canvas for continuous learning and creativity, empowering home ideas to push the boundaries of what is possible with CNC technology. And that wraps up our guide on CNC machining projects. We want to hear from you. What CNC projects are you excited to try? Share your thoughts down below and let's stir up some inspiration together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe to stay tuned for more content like this. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, thank you for watching.